Happy journey.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. Hello, how do you do?
Fine. Alright. आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं अरुणाचल प्रदेश.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश. असम.
असम.
अरुणाचल कहाँ से हो?
अरुणाचल ईटानगर.
ईटानगर.
हाँ.
असम से.
It's a long tour.
Yes, it's long tour.
So traveling all over the world. All over the
No,
India.
no, all over India.
India.
Hmm.
Okay, that's good.
You are Mr. Ramarao.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice.
Now, where? Now,
Now I'm coming from Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam.
Yes.
So now Visakhapatnam to where?
Puri.
Puri.
Yes.
सजदा है.
Today I'll reach Puri. Tomorrow I'll be there.
Yeah.
So now where are you going?
Now home
Our village.
or village.
Your village. So well, nice meeting. Yes, indeed, nice meeting. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, can
we take one?
Oh yes, yes. Why not? I'll also take. Otherwise, also you are being recorded here actually. in the book.
right now?
अभी तक मैंने जितना रास्ता कवर किया है उसका कंपेयर में इस रास्ता में बहुत सारे ट्रक्स चलते हुए दिखाई दे रहा है. आज फिर से मुझको गूगल का नेविगेशन नेशनल हाईवे से गांव की रास्ता की तरफ लेके जा रहा है. रास्ता चौड़ा है और यहाँ में बहुत सारे स्पीड ब्रेकर मिल रहा है. फिर भी हमको लगता है ये शॉर्टकट होगा. आज मैं पूरी देखने निकल गया हूँ. अभी मैं उस रास्ते पे चल रहा हूँ जहाँ में जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा को निकाला जाता है और दूर में जगन्नाथ का मंदिर भी दिखाई दे रहा है. अभी मैं कोणार्क की ओर जा रहा हूँ. उधर में सन टेम्पल है जिसको मैं आज विज़िट करना चाहता हूँ. कोणार्क पुरी से करीब 35 किलोमीटर्स की दूरी पर है जिसको मैं करीब 40 मिनट्स में कवर करूँगा.
This place name is Konark Sun. Kono means कि angle.
Angle.
Angle. Northeast angle.
Okay,
This
okay,
particular temple is situated in northeast angle. It means it Kono. Kono means angle. Orka means the name of God, sun god. Kono plus Orka. Konark. Narasingha Deva build this temple. Gangana who build this Puri temple, Jagannath temple.
Right.
Monument. One is dancing hall, second is prayer hall, third is main temple. Okay, every Indian temple. So this is your dancing hall. It is 45 height. Devadasi the tradition you have listened before. There was Devadasi dancing tradition. Before 10 years it was completely banned by the government. No Devadasi performed dancing over here. Before 10 years Devadasi came from Puri and performed dances for the sun god here. Okay, this is called dancing hall. This particular structure what indicates your suggestion also. Dancing hall. There are given 129 different dancing positions, sir. Okay? Bharatanatyam, Odisha, Kuchipudi, Gotipur, everything, sir.
All of them here.
Okay. All of them. Gujarati Dandiya. Gujarati Dandiya. Gujarati state national dance Dandiya. Like Bharatanatyam. This person is Bharatanatyam. Like this.
Yeah.
Before entering Jagannath temple, there is a pillar, big pillar, named Aruna pillar. That pillar was situated here.
Oh, earlier.
Arun was the driver of sun god chariots. Okay, the sun god chariot. So that they have given 24 wheels.
Okay.
Every wheel has different meaning. So, this chariot there have given 7 horses. This side was 4 horses and that side was 3 horses. It was destroyed by the Muslim king.
Oh.
Kala Pahad.
Oh.
He completely destroyed all over Indian Hindu temple structure. He completely destroyed.
Okay.
For the children, they have given elephant, horses, and lions postures over bottom of the temple.
Right.
Those who are adult, for adult person, they have given the Kama Sutra, sexual positions, middle of the temple. For the senior citizen, they have given God and Goddess postures on top of the temple, sir.
Okay.
It means children, young and old.
Right.
3 stages of a particular person. Okay? There is mentioned a daily life of a queen. Queen named Bhanumati Devi, the temple's queen. And look at when he left the bed, stretching his body. Second, ready to go to finish his bath and daily duty. Latin. Third is going to hunting, sitting over horses. And this is fourth, in evening time, finishes his daily duty. So you can stand here and we will shoot beautiful pictures. They have given lots of Kama Sutras pictures.
Yeah.
They have given 69 Kama Sutra positions. But Lord Vishnu, we will see and check out.
Oh, sure. Yes. Why not? Come.
अब नेपाल से बाइक धर के
No, I am from Arunachal Pradesh.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश
Yes.
रंजित
Ranjit. Okay. Yes.
रंजित सासमल आएगा
Okay.
Ranjit Saswal.
All right. Ranjit, that I will remember.
ओके सर
Yes. Nice meeting. Thank you. Let's go.
Okay. Slowly.
Yeah. It's okay. Okay. Nice meeting.
हैव अ नाइस जर्नी
Okay, thank you. Okay, my bike is parked there.
Yeah. making blogging.
Yes, yes.
Whenever you, where you going, you are making videos.
Just like
make
that.
blogging.
Actually, I like traveling. I like go around.
Oh,